Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. This is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, overall I'm still very bullish, even though I do see that it is going down. I still think this is a 1-2, and I still think this is eventually going to keep on going up to make this 3, 4, and 5. Most likely eventually going up and taking out these highs and ending up looking something like this. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I said, we are going down for several weeks now. I still think this is a wave 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2, and that would make this right here a 1 of 3. And most likely this right here is a 2 of 3, still going down for the 2 of 3. Eventually, maybe in a few weeks, it's eventually going to keep on going up for a wave 3 of 3 to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame is where you can really start to break this pattern down. 5 waves up right here looks like a wave 1. This definitely looks to me like 5 waves down, wave A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 up, wave B. I think we are currently going down for a wave C. Now it could stop at the 61.8, ending at wave 2, wave C of 2, and continue the uptrend. Or it could possibly go all the way down to the 78.6. But either way, I definitely think we're going to be able to recognize when this wave 2 of C is over and it starts that big uptrend for the wave 3. Either way, it's definitely still going down as of right now. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci extension on here. I think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and I think we're going down for a 3 of wave C. If this is a 3 of C, then it should go to at least the 161.8, which is still a little ways down there. So I'm definitely still very bearish. I definitely still don't see any breaker structure to the upside. No higher low, no engulfing move to the upside. Still think it's a wave 3 of C and still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. I would actually have to see a pretty decent little pullback, which I don't even know if it's going to make a pullback. It could easily just keep on drifting down towards that 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the top of wave 2. But if it does make a pullback, then that's going to be excellent news for us, because at the end of pullbacks is where I will be looking for shorts again for the continuation of the downtrend. Until the higher time frames tell me that this wave 3 of C is complete, which it definitely has not done so yet, I personally am going to be doing nothing but looking for shorts on these sort of time frames, whether it just keeps on drifting down now or whether it actually does go up and make a proper pullback. I guess you can answer that just about as well as I can. But if it does make a pullback, then that's where I'm going to be all over this thing to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.